Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the spectacular world of DIY Halloween crafts with an incredible product that's sure to ignite your creativity. If you're looking for the best DIY Halloween crafts to engage kids and create unforgettable memories, then you're in the right place. We're exploring the Natonhi 430 PC's Halloween Crafts Kit. This kit is packed with everything you need to unleash your inner artist and celebrate the Halloween season in style. Imagine transforming plain foam pumpkins into vibrant, customized masterpieces. With 36 foam pumpkins featuring 6 unique styles, you'll have the perfect canvas to express your spooky side. What I love about this kit is its versatility. Each pumpkin can be adorned with 36 pumpkin face stickers, allowing kids to personalize their creations however they like. This not only fuels creativity but also makes for a fantastic bonding activity for families or groups of friends. But that's not all. This kit also includes 6 colored pens to add your artistic flair, along with 150 Halloween-themed foam stickers and 100 foam leaf stickers. Imagine the fun of combining different colors, shapes, and designs to craft your unique Halloween decorations. Whether you're making spooky faces, friendly jack-o'-lanterns, or eerie ghouls, the possibilities are endless. Safety is also a priority with Natonhi. The foam materials used are made from high-quality EVA foam, ensuring they are safe and environmentally friendly. These materials are odorless, fade-resistant, and incredibly durable, perfect for a long day of crafting without any worries. Look at this finished pumpkin. Isn't it adorable? You can add googly eyes, ribbons, or even hang them as decorations. The size of the pumpkins is also ideal for little hands, making it easy for kids to create and decorate without frustration. This craft kit isn't just about fun, it's also educational. It encourages creativity, fine motor skills, and even teamwork if you're crafting with friends or family. Plus, it's perfect for various occasions, whether you're hosting a Halloween-themed party, decorating for autumn, or looking for a fun classroom project. And let's not forget, this kit makes for an irresistible Halloween gift. The excitement on kids' faces as they create their own spooky designs is priceless. Finally, all these crafting goodies come in a handy storage box, making it easy to keep everything organized and ready for the next crafting session. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of DIY Halloween crafts and want to create something truly memorable, the Natonhi 430 PC's Halloween Crafts Kit is definitely a top choice. You can find it on Amazon, and with the current price, it's an incredible deal for all that you get. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting product reviews. Let us know in the comments what crafts you plan to create this Halloween. Until next time, happy crafting!